Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though.
Nice driving to the net.
AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good evening, Otter Gang. You will make profits. You will. And you will make profits. And you. That's my Jedi shit. What's going on? Good evening, everybody. Otter Gang. What's going on? I haven't even set this thing up properly. Did it work? You guys rich now? No? What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Hostile takeover on them profits. We missed you in Shark Hacker. It's not the same without you. I mean, I would say I missed you, but I got to spend a beautiful evening with my son. It's bittersweet, man. I mean, I love teaching. I love helping people. I'm taking a step back from that, though. We're up like $3,000 today. Pretty good. 13,000 for the, well, what did we start the account at this year? 50,000 or 60,000? I think it was 60,000. No, it was. We started at 60,000 this year. So we're up 13,000 this year already. Not bad for 6 days of work. Not bad at all. We got 2 Adam and Steves today, everybody. Look at the Adam and Steves everywhere. This is crazy. Adam and Steves everywhere. Adam and Steve. This is Steve and Adam here. I guess Tuesdays are gay. Oh, AlexOCrypto after dark. Breaking down now. Pretty impulsive move here. News driven. Golden pocket retracement zone here coming back down. Russell's breaking out. This is what I wanted to see today. All right. Soy Boy Lana. Where are we at? All right. Nice retracement here. We got a nice order block right here, but I don't know if this guy's going to hold. Look for a reaction here, but I like the golden pocket better. Because that's like, this is where the news took us off. Now we're coming back into this low here. Little liquidity sweep rolling over. I mean, our measured move on the Adam and Steve is something like this, right? So we'd be looking down in here more so. Buy levels given in advance in the Discord. I even gave an Adam and Steve setup. I didn't take it, but I gave it before it happened. That's the key. The Discord has been... Oh, look, I gave the Adam and Steve pattern. It played out perfect, man. To 91.8. Man. Perfect. Too good. Too good. Look at that. Look where we went. Look where we bounced from, guys. Magic. Isn't that magical? Right down here. The TA is on fire, man. We be printing. How's it going, guys? How's everybody doing this evening? Let's see. Oh, shit. You guys can tell me how your trading was today. The measure move will exactly fill the what? It'll fill the what? You obviously are new here. I'll give you 10 seconds to think about what you just put in my chat. It's an ongoing thing. You don't say CME in my stream. Sorry, what's going on? Good evening, Dusty. Good to see you. Shanti, Dusty, Crypto Focus, Ho Hefe, Go Hefe, Titan, Focus, Alex, Ramus, John Foster, my man. What's going on, John Foster? How you doing, bro? G1, good to see you. 2 a.m. gang. Got downtrending momentum here coming into down into our golden pocket here. Let's see what we get here coming into this. It'll chop and pop, most likely. You can see a little bit of strength here on Bitcoin. Let's see 1 minute. A stiletto pattern here. Yeah. Pretty ugly trickle down. Pop up and trickle down. Very ugly. Front running my key level. We got the block here with Solana. A little bit better. We could scalp this up to here. Retest our previous lows. Up into here. A little scalp long up into here. Rotation back down. You can see us doing something like this, or we come up here, rotate down, change structure, and then push. We'll see. At least take the liquidity if you're going to come this low. Bitcoin being a bit of a B-hotch here. We got the stiletto pattern. A little short-term stiletto. I wonder if she'll have a big toe tonight. Sometimes it's an open toe stiletto, right? She got this big gnarly toe, right? And it's just like crusty and stuff. And it does more of like an SFP, right? Like it comes down like this, and chops, and then she got this like little toe hang, you know, and it bounces out. So you got to be cautious of that sometimes. She doesn't clip her nails, you know. It's one of those ones. So you got to be cautious of that. Oh, shit. John Foster, man. You always giving away memberships, bro. God bless you, man. I can't wait to buy a dog off you. Couple more years. God bless you, bro. Crypto manipulation trader. Welcome. Kalovi Lurker. Andrea Lurker. Robert Hunter. I think you're a lurker. Jeremy's a lurker, too. What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Good morning from Thailand. I always want to call it Thailand. Got to check between the thighs before you wife it up, you know, in Thailand. You never know what's going to reveal itself there. Seeing Alex after a little while. Kasim, good morning. Thank you. I did my hair tonight. I didn't, but thank you, man. God bless. Hopefully you're doing well, man. Thank you for being here and saying hello. Welcome to Baby Otter. Sorry for muting you. It's just a thing here, man. You say CME gap in my chat, Gen C. You get 10 seconds minimum. It's just a thing here, man. So don't be offended. If you're offended, you probably should leave. What's going on, Curbstar? Massey, my man, Hendy. How you doing? Tugging Tuesdays, yeah. Yeah, Adam and Steve, like, what do we expect the price to go up or down? Right now, we've been consolidating and dumping, right? So we don't want to fade the trend. However, this is taking a little bit longer, so we could potentially get a push here. We're coming down into a bounce level here, potentially. Okay, I like the imbalance down in here. So I would like for this to kind of do something like that. However, lots of liquidity to come and take. If we start putting in higher highs and higher lows, we could start seeing some V-shaped recovery in here. So we'll see a little bit of if this, then that. Prepared trader is a profitable trader. Pig nipples at the low, right? Pig nipples at the low. How do you trade pig nipples? So whenever you have pig nipples like this, right, you get all these you're literally waiting for the higher low. And typically you get a lower low SFP, right? So this is a waiting game. I mean, we can possibly scalp it. We'll see if we get some volume. But you're literally waiting for this, right? And it typically looks like this. And you get bullish divergence, and that's where you long in here. So that's a bit of a waiting game. Doesn't mean we can't front run it. Take some money early. But we'll see. Downwards momentum being broken. Very ugly way of breaking it, though. Volume is absolutely dog shite. Volume coming in at the low there. Trying to push price down. I got the Leafs game right now. I got the Leafs game on the other screen. So we got 3 screens. Don't worry. We got plenty of screens to trade with. All right. We're locked and loaded. Looking for buyers to step up here. It's flattening out, so there's a little bit of sign of buyers in here on CVD. You can see this is being defended a little bit right now. And when we go over to Bitcoin, same kind of deal here on the 1 minute. Flattening out, no real oomph to this, so right, you can see there's no oomph. It's trying to push, but there's no oomph. So typically we're waiting to take these highs initially and then look for rotation upwards, but this could pop at any time, right? This looks like it wants to push. In my opinion, we might have to consider a long shortly. Solana looks a little bit weaker. Anything else looking all right? Down 3%. What's 3%? Come on, these things are ripping like 14% today. Oh, we almost scored. 3-0 against Florida. We whooping Florida's ass tonight, hopefully. I mean, you're not whooping anyone's ass as a Leaf lately. It's just been very grim. It's a very grim year of hockey. Lots of injuries, underperformance. 128 people in here. What's going on, everybody? Do you mind hitting the like button? That would be kind of cool. I do appreciate that. If you could hit the like button, it helps promote the Auto Gang Asia. Okay, we trade in Asia, all right. I missed your live. That's why I didn't follow it. I'm sorry to hear that, Dina. It's a bear setup. Well, yes and no. Right now, Adam and Eve can work both ways, right? So an Adam and Eve is a spike and a rounded top. Typically measured move is from top to bottom, so from here to here, right? So that would be your measured move. You would take that, you would break down this way. You can also have them in the opposite direction, okay? So you can have a spike and a rounded and then a flat, right? So you measure move and you could break up from it as well. Okay? It works, it goes both ways, like any Adam and Steve would. Curbstar, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Round 2, hello. VWAP slap, y'all. Are we there? I'd like to see the slap. That would be cool. Hanging man engulfing candle right now. Could print. Might buy it. Might buy it if we push out. Might buy it. If we can SFP properly in here. Where do I want it to take here? Lows, lows, lows. Yeah, right in here. That's where I want it to take. We'll see where we get to. This is still looking pretty weak here. I'm not a big fan of VWAP during Asia, if I'm being honest. I used to trade tons of it. When I first started trading, when I lived in Australia, that's when I would trade Asia, and I did not use VWAP that much. Why? Because VWAP resets at the beginning of the day, and look where it resets, right? It resets right in your Asia session, right? So typically, if you're getting a volume-weighted average price for the day, you want data, right? So this is the shortest amount of data you have for this level of confluence to work, okay? The best VWAP is the later VWAP, okay? VWAP up here. But I digress. You'll figure it out. I believe in you. This price action is absolutely grim, mate. All right, rotation down. Here it comes. Slap it, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, baby. This is the hanging toe trade here. The hanging toe. Wave Cypher just went live. He might have more information for you guys. It's up to you guys. You guys can go wherever you want. You're free to do as you please. I'm just going to come in here and make lots of money and leave anyways, so. Considering along here. A little bit lower for Solana. TP1 hit. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. SFP continuation. That's way too easy, man. How can you give me that? That's way too easy. Yeah. Are we going to go or no? Are we going to be gay? I'll take that off. Whatever. Happy days. Quick scalp. A slap and goer, man. That's a slap and go. If there's a slap and go, is it not going to push, man? Really? Quick $100 if it pushes here. There we go. Nice little hundo. $135. GG's in the chat, everybody. I ain't complaining. Oh my God, what is going on here? I should have held that, man. Everybody get long? We got GG's in the chat. I don't see enough GG's in the chat. I can leave if you guys want. I thought that was fire. I gave you the level. I don't know. Spoon feeding for life, man. Spoon feeding for life. That's too funny, man. Yeah, definitely front ran that golden pocket. Remember, we said golden pocket. At the beginning of the stream, we said golden pocket's here. So we extended our box down, but we also said order block here. And this is where the move started, right? So this is where your liquidity is for it to come and snap. And it did. It did. It did its job, man. Whether it wants to continue, it's not I'm not here to look for Valhalla trades. This is Asia, man. Asia, if you wanna lose money, you try to outsmart Asia. I told you, in the dangly toe, man. This stiletto pattern had a dangly toe. Okay, look at the dangly toe. She had some next level toenailage going on in here. She had like cute toes, right, like that, but then she had this toenail. It's just like, man, you didn't clip that before our date, girl? Oh, man. And Krusty the Clown shoes, man. Nice little scalp, guys. Good momentum, good little push. Flat CVD as well. I like the flat CVD when it's flat like that, like this. You see flat here? It says there's a decision being made. You can see how it's stair-stepping down here, right? Halfway down the candle, continuation trade right now. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade. Up you go. That's another continuation long setup you could have taken. You can see that works out quite nicely. Halfway down the candle, continuation. Trying to find a bottom. Now the better trade here, guys, like this is your slab trade, right? So it's a little bit riskier. The better trade is obviously to come up here, establish a high, come down here, high or low, it doesn't matter, and then break this high. That's the better trade. Now, are we here for better trades? Not necessarily. We're here to make money and go back to bed and then come in the morning and make more money. I was kind of upset about this morning. We left $1,200 on the table live with everybody, but you know what? I'm about to be a dad. That's fucking cool, man. Be yourself, man. Be kind, be patient. Like everybody else says, you don't know what the fuck you're doing, so just, prepare for black shits and cries that you don't understand why. Have fun. When people say you don't enjoy the stage where it's a nugget, when it's like a little piece of potato, it's like a little potato, they are correct, man. Like, when it is a little potato, my biggest thing I want you to do is make sure that you take an hour out of every day to hold that little potato and fucking love it, man, because it's cool. Give it the little ninja wrap it all up like a little burrito. Give it the bottle. It's a beautiful experience, man. God is cool. Your life will change forever. I had to get a coffee. Yeah, I lost about 5K on the coffee. But it's a beautiful experience, man. What's going on, ADHD trader? Mark Gustafson. What are your fees on the scalp? Extortionate. $225, bro. You gotta pay to play. When I keep this much. Why is that transparent? I'm not a transparent, by the way. I'm Lord Otter, King Beaver. Even my trading view. If you guys want to know what my trading view is, guys, it's Lord Otter. Okay, you see? That's my trading view right there. You gonna teach JR trading? I've been trying to teach JR trading. He's come a long way, man. I like seeing his growth, man. It's a joy to watch. It actually is a joy to watch. I think he really does care. He really does care. Yeah, Kasim, congratulations on becoming a father, man. Congratulations. Who is this guy? That is most replaced. That is the most. Are you all right there, bro? Do you need to think about what you're saying? Crypto Poker, God bless. Thanks you for the 5-man warrior, Vera, Init, the America, Nishan. All of them are lurkers, guys, but welcome to the family, man. Bro, you can go and have a think about your fucking whatever comments you're saying there, Noodle. I'll noodle slap you right out of the chat. Big old mushroom slap. What did Donald Trump call it? Project Midnight Hammer? Can we get some midnight hammers for that guy? He just got noodle slapped. Give him the midnight hammer, AlexOCrypto. The fucking midnight hammer. Let's go. How about that Jasmine, guys? Jasmine's ripping. Jasmine looks good, man. Very juicy. Sui, Aerodrome, Virtual. Yeah, man. These things are... They're trying, man. Bitcoin dominance 58. Still strong. How's the NASDAQ looking tonight? Yeah, we closing. Oh, we got a lot of liquidity to the downside. Look at that horse I painted, man. That is a stallion, man. You're the horse, guys. Nice break retest here for the biddy. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I mean, I can't spoon feed you all night, but I'm here for a little while. Is there a spoon? Here we go. There you go. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. It kind of looks like a bell end. I might double dip on Solana here. I should have held this trade, guys. Story of my life. A little bit of a balloon dog right now, guys. A little bit of double bottom flagging out. Just looking for that lower high or higher low. Sorry. Continuation out. Liquidity. This might have to come back down again though, so I'm not gonna rush here. Patience will be key here. The hammer. Can't wait for the midnight T-bizzle. You know, Leafs 3-0 against Florida tonight, man. They're absolutely giving them the good old spanking. Kai do Cobb. Friendly trade-off? Do you want to have a trade-off, JR, you and me? I was on Trading Wars 3 times. 3 times. And I was profitable. Every show. Except for when I wanted to quit. I blew my account for fun. Was it 3 times or 2 times? I lost to Crypto Face in the finals. He traded a cat. Yeah, it was an interesting way to lose. I'll put it that way. I am still licking my wounds. Can't believe he beat me with a cat. This is bullish, guys. Continuation here for sure. CVD pushing. Yeah, this is nice. Making us wait quite a while, but still nice. Liquidity. Asia's so slow, man. Remember what we're waiting for, everybody. We're waiting for this guy. That is the money ticket. We'll see where we get to. Is that Nick Musgrave in the chat? No. I'm not as good. Only 1 year trading, but at least proud and profitable on 6 trades. That's it, man. Well, slow and steady. How many good old spankings have you had today? I've taken 3 losses today. I share everything here. I have I have 3. Here's the 3 losses in the day. Where are they? 3 losses today. I'm up $3,000 today. 355, 439, 46. 3 losses, and I think like 7 wins or something like that. I mean, I shorted this bitch here. Like I made most of my money shorting Solana here. I thought I was up $5,000. I was only up 3 after shorting it. Plus another 150 tonight, guys. So we're grooving, man. We're grooving. Shorted on the neck break here. Continuation. Down we went. That was great. Then I spent after I made $3,000, I went and spent the whole day with my son, because that's what trading's all about, man. I updated the Discord. I gave him setups, and then I effed off. Because my job is to come in and take money and then leave. That is my job. But yeah, you're supposed to lose, guys. I risk $500 to $2,000 per trade. That's me. I've been doing it. You know, I've been risking more. Every single day since November. November, I had crazy fucking month. Coming back down here, looking a little weak. See how Bitcoin behaves here. I would like to see rotation back up. We still look strong here. I like this little slap down. Let's get long. Need this to engulf, really. Otherwise, we're coming down here. See if it pushes. Nice little slap. No follow through. Interesting. Asia just be spoon feeding, man. I'm only trading like a quarter position size tonight, guys. I'm happy with my profits today. I don't want to give it back, but hanging out, man. Hanging out. What's up, Trench, man? Good to see you, brother. God bless. Daddy Otter, I love you, bro. Tau have potential to go to 300? Sure. Whatever. Useless has potential to go to fucking $1. I don't know. My son is crying. My poor wife has to deal with his ass. Everybody long? Up today? Lots of people up today. Good job, guys. Very good. Lots of spoon feeding. Push ya, nambe pambe. What is the blue and red bars on the right? That's your order book. Okay, so your order book's in here. Buyers and sellers, right? Stepping up. So you got clearly a big buyer down here. So if we SFP, it's looking to get bought up. Clearly seller up top here, 139.56. Order block in here, so probably this liquidity in here. And this changes all the time, man. So it's just a little bit of a... I like it for take profits. So like if I'm long here, I'm probably targeting like 139.5 is right here. So I'll probably look to come and take this high. Probably going to get stopped out right here. Yeah. That's fine. Push and nambe pambe. Watching the hockey game and trading, man. Doesn't get much better than that. Lost 800 today and made 1,200 today. Hey, that's a good day. Good bounce back. As long as it's not revenge trading, man. YouTube is a piece of, yeah. Everybody having a good day then. I think some people in the family asked some questions. Not a bad little trade, guys. We got long here. We got long here. Bullish CVD. Bottoming structure. Order block. It was all there. Good job, everybody. GG's in the chat. Let's go, baby. There's that sell wall we just talked about. 139.71, and then that was the other one there at 139.32. We got bullish CVD coming in. Bitcoin looking good too. Order block. Caution here, guys. So a little bit of a stopping area potentially. Solana looking for follow through above this high here. Into VWAP. Take this off. Don't be a dick for a tick, guys. Oh. I guess I'm being a dick for a tick. Not going to take it now. Watch. Come on. It's such a small order, man. Don't be so gay. Thank you. Up another 200. GG's in the chat, guys. Good job tonight. Good job tonight. GG's Trench. Easy work, man. Easy work tonight. Called the low here. Called the consolidation, right? And then you're looking for the slap back in, right? You don't trade the chop, you trade the slap back in, right? Just like Bitcoin here, the slap back in, the slap back in. Solana, go to the 1 minute, you can see it easier on the 1 minute, right? So you come in, we called the low here, we got long here, we took the long up. Easy money, right back in. All right, then we said what? We're looking for chop, we're looking for the slap in. Here's your slap, doji engulfing candle, continuation trade. Off you go. Very easy. Very straightforward trading, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but that should make sense. We got money flow coming in, bottoming structure here, stiletto pattern. Okay. Stiletto pattern with the hanging toe, right? Bottoming structure, order block, liquidity, fair value gap, tap, closing back within the range, continuation up, liquidity to target down below. Impulse aggressive news move. So where was the news move? It was right here. So we have that low to be taken. We take the lows, we bottom out, we push back up to grab liquidity up here. Can this continue down? Absolutely. Do we give a shit? No, we just want to get into the easy trade. Make sense? Otter gang, baby. Otter gang. Single dad since he was 3. He's now 10. Actually, if you were to beatbox and say AlexOCrypto, or shout out to Little B. Let's go, Little B, man. What's going on? Thank you for being part of the Otter family. God bless you, man. My little man's sleeping, so I can't bust a beat for you, but hopefully you're having a good night, little B in the house, man. Did Soul rug you guys? Ooh. Oh. You guys didn't manage your risk, man. I can't help you with that. Look at that. 2 little trades tonight. We're up, 300 and change, man. 300 and change. Solana coming back down. Order block retest continuation down. Nasty. Well, let's see if she wants to be friends again, man. That's all. I can't manage your risk for you. That's the one thing. That's the easiest effing part of trading, man. But it's always the hardest thing to teach people. It's the hardest job as a teacher, for me to try to, I don't know. It's okay to lose, man. It's just how you lose. I still lose bad sometimes, guys. I'm human. But 98% of the time, I'm a good loser. It's the only way I've been able to have a full-time trading career. And look, I get to sit on my ass and watch fucking hockey and hang out with you guys. Go Leafs, go, baby. Would you rather Soul take that low? After something like that, I don't touch it. Of course, Curb Star, man. Thank you for being part of the family, bro. Favorite beatboxer? Zero's okay, man. I'm old school, man. I like Rozelle. I like Faith SFX. I mean, that guy who does that dopamine. Look at this thing. What a dirty bastard Solana is sometimes, man. Solana's done dirty. Love from Brampton. What's going on, NW? I left Toronto, man. I grew up downtown Toronto my whole life, but Brampton, man, I'm sorry to hear that. Hard living there. Brampton used to be really nice. Unless you're Brampton, Ontario, right? What do you see in the mid time frames for swings? We can talk about a little bit that. I want to give you a big hug too, Trench, but that's a far flight, man. 26 hours. I've done it. That's a long. Maybe you meet me in Japan one day, because I'm going to do Japan for sure. I don't know if I go back down under. This is a great push, guys. I'm not trading this. No trade right now. Just chilling. No trade. What's Biddy doing? Midterm time frames. What are you looking at for tomorrow? We got Jolt's job openings tomorrow, so be prepared for fucking volatility. Tomorrow it's going to wreck a lot of people because they're not prepared for the news. When we look at this, what do we have, right? So we have clear liquidity below us. They will use the job opportunity to come and take liquidity. Lots of liquidity here. Sweep of the highs, jobs done. Looking for a 96 target. We'll see if we get up there. Right now, we could hang out in here. That would be the most bullish, I think. If we consolidate and then continue, that would be the most bullish. However, if we start to rip, I would be very, very concerned. I would be looking to gig a short up here. If we get up to like that 96 to 98,000 area, I'd be looking to gig a short. So I'd prefer consolidation and altcoins to run, but that's not my decision. Okay. Looking for a sweep down below here at 90,500. However, right now in this range, right? So for me, it's if this then that. We have not lost the macro bullish momentum on the way up here. We gave this level to the Discord. Hopefully they got long. We gave the short to the Discord. Hopefully they got short today. Either way, it's been printing. Altcoins look good. Lots of bullish catalysts. Right now we're bouncing off of our order block area, so I could see us possibly coming back in for a retracement into here and then establishing some bottoming structure in here tomorrow. That would be the best in my opinion. However, patience right now. We are in a downtrend. We have lost the lows here. We've lost the lows here. We've failed to make a higher high here. Trying to push out. Okay, so this is sideways chop, right? You can easily do that. Just take like a regression trend tool, drag it across. You can see right now we're in the median, so we're trying to push out, but it's got some work to do. Clearly bullish since the new year, so we're looking for rotation to the upside. Major resistance above us, so treat this like a range. Here's your range low, 90,000, to your range high, 96,000. Look for it to hold, but lots of chop in here today, so wait for a decision here. The key for waiting for a decision is, well, we have high, low, high, low, high, right? What's our structure? We have high, low, high, low, high, low, right? So in here, we understand that this is our low, this is our high. How do we take advantage of it, right? Buy low, sell high. Well, we have our macro momentum, so I would look for a lower high or a SFP, take some liquidity out of here, then come shooting back down, recover and go. That would be the best, in my opinion. Like a mini Wyckoff in here. But for now, patience. Right, we look at our hourly. Anchor trigger, trying to push out. This is good. This is good with green money flow. So green grass is still green. Money flow is coming in, pushing out. So there's strength here. It's just 2 hour trigger wave. See, 3 hour and 4 hour not ready yet. 3 hour and 4 hour still need to turn up, right? So, and a lot of chop today, guys. So patience into the Jolt's job openings, and then Friday we also have some news coming right back at us. My hockey game stopped working. 1 second. Third period starting. 3-0 Leafs still. Ooh, big save. Big save. Sorry, I got distracted. Don't get in the way of... Oh, yeah, here we go. Damn, that was nasty on Solana here, guys. Biddy was a trade tonight. Should have taken Biddy. Biddy VWAP flip. Nice move. Aggressive move through VWAPs. Typically bullish. Continuation here. Coming back to retest previous lows. This is naturally where you're going to have resistance. Go swing high to swing low. Finally, Soilana. Finally. Finally, man. Congratulations, everybody, on your longs tonight. I think we've done well. Halfway down the candle retest. Breakout retest of highs, continuation trade. It just looks a little bit overextended now. We have come into that sweep area at 139.50. So I wait. How's my 3-minute trigger wave? Non-existent. Solana. Funny, eh? Isn't it funny? What did I say? What did I say at the beginning of the stream? You're waiting for the 3-minute trigger wave. I ignored it my damn self. That's the best trade tonight right there. Boom, ba boom. Pig nipples. Trigger wave. Bullish divergence. Magic, man. It is magic. Sometimes it's just too easy, right? I can't be giving you guys all of my secrets. What exactly is an anchor trigger wave? So, depending on the time frame, anchor is a deeper wave followed by a trigger wave. Okay? Here, I have a document for you, my friend. I'm going a little bit above and beyond for you. You got your screenshot ready? Screenshot it, bro. Got your screenshot ready again? And again? All right, honky dory. An anchor is when you put in a low and a trigger. So you can think of the price action doing something like this. Coming up, breaking structure and triggering. Anchor trigger wave. Anchor trigger wave. It's even better when you get a low and then you get an SFP and you get a bullish divergence. Where's the final take profit for Bitcoin long? 126,000. I'd be looking to come up to the highs of the range, where we talked about for the macro, right? So that would be in here. You got where's your liquidity? Right here, and right here. Should be your target. However, you should be probably 3/4 out of your trade up into the golden pocket 786 in here, leaving a runner, because your probabilities of this coming up, retracing, and possibly continuing down are very likely. So you typically want to be mostly out up into here, in my opinion, if you're intraday trading it. Good trade, everybody. You're a carpenter as well. How long have you been a carpenter? What's going on, Jesse? Welcome, Big Don. We're typically live in the morning scalping. 8 a.m. till 10:15 Eastern Standard Time. You're a professional video editor. That's cool, man. Keep up the good work. I'm so degenerate. You do not want to edit my videos. I'm not here to be a YouTuber, Suno, or get like lots. I don't like lots of people being in our Discord. I'm very content. Very content. You lived in Woodbridge, eh? Highway 7, yeah. My no lives at Woodbridge, Rutherford Road, man. Rutherford Road and Highway 27 right there. Right near 427. The Cubanadian. Yeah, man. Fees suck even at VIP 7. Yeah, but at least for me it's Bitunix. I feel my money is safe. I have a good rep. They take care of me. When you start putting hundred thousands of dollars on an exchange and they go down, how do you feel? I started trading on FTX, so I may be a little bit more traumatized than most, but you want to keep your money on MexC, I think you're an idiot, in my opinion. You want to keep your money on KSEX, I think you're an idiot. You want to keep your money on an exchange that has cheap fees and no proof of reserves? That's like giving your savings to your crackhead neighbor and expecting him not to go buy drugs, in my opinion. Oh, Carpenters Union. Nice, man. So you got your journey. You got your journey, or did you get your red seal? China Doe? No, that's Markham. That's Markham. Yeah, Solana was nasty with that little drop there, but I mean, that's trading in a nutshell, right? Look at me today. Like, I had that beautiful scalp here, up $800. Boom, perfect entry. And then look at this candle right here, this dirty bastard. Look at this thing. What a bastard, man. See, I got in here. I was up. I realized 800, unrealized 1200. So I would have made like $4,000 on this trade up here. But this dirty candle right here, man. Oh man, you dirty bastard. That's trading though. That's trading. What I've come to learn is you take what you get, really. If you're not managing risk, though, you're not managing risk. I get sniper entries. However, if it comes back for me and I'm not managing risk, what if this thing goes like this? You're giving it all away, right? You're giving away all your money. However, you hit a trade like this, and it doesn't come back and get you, and it goes on a run, and you've hit TP1, you're up $800. You can make $10,000 like we have. We've done it on the live stream with you guys, where I'm up 10K for the day, right? In a matter of minutes. But that's not realistic, right? Like base hits, you're going to have single, double, single, double, strikeout, single, double, home run, baby, right? And that's how it goes. You stack enough singles and doubles, guys, I guarantee you're going to be laughing. I mean, I show you singles and doubles all day. Right? This is like single, double, little mini, maybe the triple, you know? But I mean, It's nice, man. Still learning my way around the Discord. Welcome, man. Watch the video. Go in here. Go to the must videos. This is where you should be digesting everything. Must videos in here, and go and watch this video right here. Welcome to the Discord. Everybody's here. All the traders. So we want to review like what's in the Discord, right? So we always keep our free section in here. The first thing I'm going to tell you is never click on a bloody link in here. Never repeat or talk. We did a good couple of trading videos today. It was actually really good. Bonus video. What did we talk about? Range trading, yeah. What else did we talk about today? We did a good one on reversals, didn't we? Yeah, this was a good video. I think I did well today on how to trade a reversal. We're going to talk about reversals and what defines a reversal and how we're looking for a reversal. So we always want to talk about key areas. So key areas is always key. I always draw them like this, where we have a break and a retest in a go. I always draw them like this. Okay? Whenever you see this on my chart, I'm looking for this. What is this? It is some sort of topping structure. Magic, man. You guys are all long? You guys are all rich tonight, man? Have I done my job or what? I think I've done my job pretty well tonight. You guys are all rich. I was recommended by instructors to get it. Yeah, I got sent to Vegas as well, man. Are you in local 27? Toronto? Everybody's doing well today. You guys should all be rich anyways. What's going on, red line? Two longs tonight. Lived in Woodbridge. I use Bitunix. I use Bitunix or BYDFI or BloFin. Trade Intuition raid. God bless you, Trade Intuition, my man. What's going on, bro? How you doing? You guys are all following Trade Intuition, right? TI. You got some funky ass thumbnails, bro. I use the same damn thumbnail. I do not have the energy. I used to do the thumbnail thing. You got some cool thumbnails, man. It looks like what's that game? Cyberpunk. Look at that. Solana, man. You guys got paid tonight, man. I have done my job well tonight. This is what makes me happy. Bit of GG's in the chat if you took the long with me tonight. I love seeing you guys win, man. I think you guys I like seeing other people succeed, man. I like to be a bit of a cheerleader. Maybe that's gay, but, you know. Whatever. Trading ain't easy, is it? Ask anyone who trades. I'm so in love with the white boxes now, guys. So much easier. I used to have color coordinated boxes, guys. I was one of those weirdos. I've changed my ways. I was considering changing my canvas to like a dark blue and a gray. What do you guys think? Or is it gay? Maybe gray on the top. I think it's clear. Like, it looks clean. Oh, the pink boxes will always remain the pink boxes, man. They're always pink. The pink box is always the pink box. Never mess with the pink box. I love when we get 2 pink boxes in one day, man. I think it looks clean. The gray and the blue and the purple. Like, I think it makes the purple pop. I actually looked at a fucking color palette, okay? AlexOCrypto color palette. Imagine telling your carpenter friends, hey, bro, I was like looking at these color palettes, man, and we, you know, fucking doing it, man. We're doing the color palette. Oh, man, the chirps that I would get. The chirps that I would get. This is up only. Beautiful bottoming structure continuation here. Long is running. Great job, Bruce. GG's, man. GG's. All you guys getting the trade tonight. You guys are spoiled. Easy longs tonight. What's going on, Chris Klein? I'm doing well. Thank you, sir. Thanks for asking. Let's go. See you in the morning. See you in the morning, Bearded Mac. God bless, bro. Three 3-1 in my hockey game right now. Leafs are winning 3-1. Is this a goal? Where's the puck? This guy's hiding the puck in the camera, bro. That's a goal. That's a goal, man. This guy's cheating. You're new from Calgary? Sweet, man. I'm in Alberta as well, man. I live in the mountains. I'm sure you could guess. Good morning from the Philippines. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Is Lunar Beach's crypto going live tonight or what? Is he being a little bitch? Where is he? I gotta message him. Hello from Costa Rica, man. That's somewhere I would like to go. Let's call him. I wonder if he'll come through on the audio. You going live or what? I can't hear you. Put a thumbs up. Okay. I'm pretty much done, bro. I'll send them over. I love you. LBC is fire, yeah. No, I love LBC, man. I've been trading with LBC from day one. LBC is a good person, family man, good trader, works hard, good dude. He's fucking taller than me, but who isn't? Good night, a lighter. Thanks for being here tonight, guys. I mean, I spoon-fed you guys tonight, guys. I should have held these trades a little bit longer, but I was not interested in doing it. Damn. Beautiful trades, man. Beautiful bottoming structure. Rotation back up. You could have taken this aggressive move through VWAP, slap continuation. I mean, it was all here. Bull div. Engulfing. Retest to previous highs. Like, you could have taken this long, this long. We took this long and this long. It's all there. You guys are, I don't know. Some days I'm just like, I wonder some days if I should just disappear and trade by myself. But I actually do like coming on and hanging out. It's pretty fun. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go see my sexy ass wife. That's where I'm going. Damn, she fine, man. I'm punching so hard. I'm gonna go and hang out with her. Watch the rest of the hockey game, guys. God bless you. Go over to Lunar Beaches Crypto. Throw some otters in his chat. Thank you guys for being here. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Bye.
On the come up better sit low. The product